Hi guys, welcome to my Christmas holiday special. This year we made memories that we'll cherish forever, from festive outings to cozy moments at home. Let me take you through the highlights of our holiday season. We kicked things off with an amazing trip to Legoland. The kids were thrilled, from the colorful Lego creations to the rides and festive decorations. It was a perfect start to the holidays. Watching their faces light up was an absolute priceless moment for me, and let's not forget the hot chocolate breaks, because it's not proper winter outing without one, is it? Now we just arrived in the Legoland, and all of us are excited and curious to find out what's in Legoland because it's our first time here. And you can see we're just like making the videos and walking our way in. And yep, that's it. You can see me there looking cute with my boy Jachi. Now we're just like walking to go get our tickets, and we're finally in. And we took pictures with the Lego Christmas tree. Guys, this is an actual city made of Lego, and it's so amazing. We were trying to go see Santa Claus. We were not aware that we were meant to like book to see Santa prior to coming in, so we couldn't make it in anyway. But we still took pictures with the Lego Santa, and yep, that's me and my family and my wife kissing and making moments. We saw this Santa cruise on the road. We joined them and it was fun. And here's the Night Kingdom. There were so many rides in there. We couldn't make videos because it was quite complicated. And here we came for the horse ride. And yeah, one moment for the sweets. You know where he is, kids with the sweets. But Lamachi wouldn't stop crying. He cried the whole day, but it was still okay. He'll understand later. At this point, we're already like tired and getting ready to leave. Yeah, the following day, I went out with the boys, went to the casino, and of course, we had so much fun. It was an Afrobeats club. You can see us vibing. The vibe was 100, guys. What could we do without partying in the Christmas season? It's been so long since I went out. But yeah, it was just like an absolute vibe check. And I loved it. Guys, don't worry, you see me stepping soon. That's me stepping, stepping. Of course, it was actually cool. It was fine. Yeah, good vibes. And then the following day, based on Jachi's request, we decided to do cupcakes. My wife supported with that. That's Jachi mixing his cupcakes and trust him to do funny things. He was tasting the cake even when it wasn't done. And look at his face. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm happy he had to do this exercise, just something for the holidays. And look at his brother at the back just chilling. At this point, our cupcakes were done. They looked funny anyway. And yeah, of course, the eve of Christmas, we decided to do our family pictures. And here, the food. Oh my God, my wife got the assignment code, and there, yummy. Food everywhere. Yes. And of course, the following day was Boxing Day, guys. I was quite excited because I got gifts for everyone in the house. And yeah, I wasn't getting anything anyway, but it's all right because I already got myself a gift in November. Guys, just take a look at the expression on Jackie's face when he saw his gift, and that was actually mind-blowing. I was excited for him because I know how much he loves monster trucks, and I can also play with this toy, so I loved it. Yeah, and everyone else got the gifts, but this was actually a priceless moment for me, I'm not gonna lie. Just seeing how happy he was to get his gift. Of course, I unboxed it for him. He has a controller. It's actually a very lovely toy. And where's Lamachi? Come get your toy, Lamachi. Of course, he got like a very lovely stuffy ball, a baby shark toy, and he got all the sensory toys. I know soon he's gonna get like bigger boy toys, but he's still a baby. So what can I do? Look at him. He's excited anyway, playing with his new toy. Yeah, guys, and that was how my Christmas holiday went. It was quite exciting for me. So leave a comment below telling me what you think about it. And also let me know how your Christmas holiday went. Share the highs, the lows, and whatever you would like us to talk about. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you, guys. See you next time.